Hello everyone, this is Zach from TripVSA. So this short video here, would like to share with you two stocks that actually appeared under Green Pentagon screener. We have Evergreen and the other one is Minho. So these two stocks actually it come from this Pentagon buy on February, and we actually have a very good XT and LT actually. So if you have following our live Facebook or even some our videos over here, most of the time from this screener we will pick preferable we pick something in green colors, okay, because this is where that they are very close with support level, and if not we look into some purple, which is representing that as a trending uh, momentum, okay, for the particular counters. Okay, of course Evergreen comes with certain momentum right now. If you look into like others like Costa Contract, they are making a very nice trend with plenty of sound strength. But of course this video here we just purely focus to Green Pentagon on Evergreen and Minho. Okay, two as actually come from same industry, which is the wood product. Okay, so first of all, let's look into Evergreen. Today we got a down bar, but of course down bar I think is pretty expected. But of course we're going to look for a low volume down bar. So if you notice, okay, let me zoom in over here. We have Green Pentagon, okay, yesterday. Of course, after the complete of the shakeout over here, this area, right? So overall, if you look into market stages for since last year August, I did not actually they are still in the nice trend, okay, because if let's say your market stages is in red, okay, like for example over here, so this is representing the trend is weakening or maybe the trend is in the downtrend, right? So if let's say it's in green, which means this is still in a pretty much of a strong trend at the moment. If you look into weekly chart, okay, we got a nice support over here. We got three NS for Evergreen, one, two, and three. Okay, so market stages also suggest that for based on weekly chart, right, they're actually holding well at the support areas. Okay, with a confirmation on the three NS over here. Okay, now subsequently, they seems like trying to cross the green color line. So on long terms right now, they actually haven't really hits the red color line, which means potentially they got still got some rooms to go. Now, bear in mind, this video here is not to ask you to buy or sell. We just want to share with you how we use VSA indicators to help us out in our trades. Okay, so weekly chart. If you look into weekly chart over here, the Pentagon actually turns again last year August. Okay, so this is kind of same with the market stages in August at time. So from the green pen, the highest of the price over in January, you can get around like 36%. Okay, 36%. So again, for those that who are looking for an opportunity for Evergreen, okay, I think look for more sanction because based on market stages over here, seems like they probably still got some rooms to go. Okay, so let's look into Minho right now. Another stock actually turns to green Pentagon. British also turns really, but of course, if you look into the market stages, they actually haven't really started to mix the uptrend. Okay, so they just turns from red. Of course, this week turns to green. We haven't really closed yet. We want to see the confirmation by end of this week. So on daily chart as well, there's lots of red areas in the market stages. Again, the trend is still pretty much weaker compared to Evergreen. Okay, if you base purely in the market stages. Okay, so again, this is how we use the market stages to compare. Okay, if the trend of the particular stock is strong or weak. So, but anyway, because Minho, if you look closely in the weekly chart, they actually started to turns to green color. So it means that chances for them to going back to support area is very very high. So we got a kind of like a shakeout over here, two areas of shakeout. Okay, we got a gaps on the left hand side. Plenty of sound strength. Okay, plenty of sound strength. Okay, so all the green arrows, NS, SPT is sound strength. Okay, so looking back into weekly chart right now, right? So we have a green pentagon on early of Jan. Okay, but this is below trend 40s. So this week, okay, hopefully we'll see a nice closing, okay, above trend 40s again. So again, we want to see nice market stages over here when they start to turns to green to gray bars. Okay, so this is an area that we want to look for a low risk entry. Okay, so this is just a quick updates from some of the stocks that we select from the screeners over here. If let's say there's any changes in the chart setups, we will give an update soon.